Okay, so I'm going to do an Amiga repair. It's my first Amiga repair video. Not a big deal. I have a real-time clock in here, and I have the original A501 expansion card that gives the 512 megabyte of RAM. It also has a had a real-time clock in it, but when I got it, it started leaking, so I pulled it out. No damage, luckily. What I did is I put in temporarily, I wired up a rechargeable directly to the ground and the power. I heard that's a bad thing to do, but it hasn't exploded in the last 6 months. But what I did get from Amiga is this replacement part that I'm going to install. I did notice, and I'm hoping this fixes it, is that when the Amiga's off, it's slow. It's like I always have to fix the time. It's the right date, but it's like an hour or two behind, depending on how long the Amiga's been shut off for. So I'm hoping this replacement will fix that. I'm hoping. Let's see. Because it looks like there is some sort of resistor in here. I think that's to prevent it from charging the battery. I don't know if it's going to fix that problem, but I thought I'll do this because it's the cleaner and more proper way to do things. So let's get this thing apart. I got an ACA 5000 plus I got to take off. I got to take off this monitor. So let me do all that and we'll come back. Okay, well, I just took out of the Amiga the board. Here's what you could see. I blue-tacked this, and it's just a rechargeable 3.7 volt battery. There was just a little bit of battery leakage there, but let's go ahead and desolder this and put in that part that I lost. Oh, here it is. Okay. It's going to go right like so. Okay, be back. Okay, so let's see. Let's pull this out. I gotta. There's that one. There's this one, and there's this one. Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hold on, it's my boss. Hello?
Hey, Charles. John, RCC Gold and Silver. How's everything going?
Who's this?
John, RCC Gold and Silver.
I don't know you. Not my boss. Alright, let's keep going here. What is going on with this? What is going on here? Oh, there we go. Okay, that's in. Let's just solder that in. Okay, turn that down. Battery's in. It's in there pretty good. This should work. Let's see. Alright, I set everything up. I closed everything up. I'm just assuming I did it right. So, let's turn this puppy on. It didn't blow, that's good. It's the ACA boot up, there we go. Oh, 2016, it's got a clock. It's the wrong one, I don't know. Let's see. Let's just go to Amiga test kit. Okay, Amiga test kit, okay, F8, battery clock. There we go. Now I could just set it up. That's pretty good. All right, I'll do that. I'm not going to bore you with setting the time and date. Okay, let's reboot this thing. Yep, 9-9. That's correct. That is correct. Doing one-handed here. Time. Yep. 9:09 at 1:08 p.m. September 9th, 2025. Success. Now I feel better because this was the last thing that really, the only thing I really needed to do. I didn't trust this. Just plugged in. I read some bad things could happen, but nothing really happened, so either I'm lucky or the warnings were without merit. Either one. But that concludes my first Amiga repair video. Thanks for watching, and I don't know, maybe I'll break something so I can fix it for the next video. See ya!